Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files using an app called RAR on your Samsung Galaxy A13. So in order to do that, we'll need to open the app, which we've shown how to download in our other video. And from here we can locate the file that we want to unpack, and it's located in the downloads right here. It's the Samsung.rar. Now to unpack it, we can press on it. And if it has the password, we need to type it in. For me, it's 123, and press OK. And now you can see the files that are inside this RAR file, and we can press on this icon right here to unpack it wherever we want. So we can select to ask before overwrite without prom, or skip existing files. I'm gonna use this one, and keep the broken files. Do not extract the paths. Now select the browse to change the folder in which it's gonna be unpacked. I'm gonna use the movies for this example. When you're ready to select OK, and then OK again. And it should be unpacked in our movies folder right here. It is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.